Might have done some good work. Some magical works people are doing. After that only going. Huh? You focus in your studies, no need to focus in other factors. That's the most important work. If you're going to focus in other factors, means you are gali. So better you focus in your work. I will not say anything. I will not give one single comment. Otherwise, I am gali. No comments. We'll start the work. Come on, let's start the work. Polynomial chapter case studies. So 5 chapters, 5 case studies. Okay. Remember 5 chapters, 5 case studies. Each case study 5 question means 5 into 5. 25 marks coming from case study. Hmm? Wherever needed, solve the question and get the answer. Wow, Maya, your best friends are here. 5 chapters only, not more than 5 chapters. First, you make master in 5 chapters only. Good afternoon, Ashweta, everyone. Good afternoon. See, real number. Second one is that book you give first. Don't touch those books. They are poisonous books. This is a different book. See, look here. First is real number, then polynomial, then quadratic, linear equation, and then trigonometry. These are the 4 chapters, 5 chapters. These 5 chapters only you need to do for tomorrow. Okay. Then sample paper, because from 12th most probably everybody is having exams now. Okay. So we are going to focus in that part. Okay. So now come on, go for it. Let's start the work, please. Nice. I got magnetism. No, right now magnetism class is not there. First, we need to finish that questions, polynomial questions and other questions. Okay, so we are going to do case study of polynomial. I write a heading. I will change. So we will start that work. What we were continuing, that same work we are going to continue. Okay. The question is, note down the question. I told you 5 2-mark question we will do. So what is the roadmap here is, remember this part, how you have to do for tomorrow. So good afternoon, Sanjay. Power cut was there. Because a power cut, class got cancelled. Yes, I was waiting for power cut. Just power cut came, class also started. Okay. See, 2-mark question, most probably based on LCM, HCF, prime factorization, and one question is there that prove that 6 to the power n or 8 to the power n or 7 to the power n will never have unit digit as 0. Understood. So this is one question. Oh, in your area also power cut. No problem. We can adjust like this. So now please pay attention here. Like this 1 2-mark question will be there. First, the composite number question we have done. That composite number question is very important. Second is this type question. So when they will tell you prove that 8 to the power n or 6 to the power n or 7 to the power n will never end with digit 0. Why? Because we have to answer one question. See, we know that what is the, according to prime factorization rule, what is the most important thing? For bringing 0 as unit digit, we need to have 5 and 2 as factors. 5 and 2 as factors. So that you must remember. So here, for 6 to the power n, 6 to the, see, your presentation is going to be the most important thing. So we know one thing, yes, you need to understand this is one type question which will be coming for any level examination, including board examination. So you are preparing right now for board examination, means you must listen this one very nicely. See, remember this part, that any number, when you are exactly making the prime factor of a number, for bringing 0 in the unit place, the prime factor must have 5 and 2. So if the prime factor is having 5 and 2, then only the product of 5 and 2 will come as 10. So if it is not having 5 and 2, the product will not come as 10. So 100% it will not have unit digit as 0. Understood? So here when you are splitting this number, when 6 to the power n is there, so 6 will become 3 to the power n. So 3 to the power n into 2 to the power n. So for me bringing, what is it? For bringing unit, inform everyone to quickly join. Inform everyone to quickly join this session, please, children. Yes, Nishant, good evening, good afternoon. We know that any positive integer end with digit 0 is divisible by 5 and its prime factorization must contain the prime. That's the true definition of it. And one more important point to be noted here is division, either you can say, or you can say that a number which will have prime factor as 2 and 5 will be divisible by, will have a unit digit as 0. Understood or not? So here whatever, but here 6 to the power n is there now, where n is a natural number. Understood, Nishant? Good afternoon. Where n is a natural number. So when natural number will be there, at that case, how we are going to proceed? So at the case of elevation, good evening. So in case of natural number, the unit digit must be having what? 6 to the power 1, 6 to the power 2, 6 to the power 3, 6 to the power 4, 6 to the power 5, whatever you will take for all n belongs to natural number, for all n. So here you can write that for all n belongs to natural number, whatever will be the value of n, 2 is there, but what is missing is 5 is missing. Understood? For bringing unit digit as 0, 2 and 5 must be there as a prime factor. Understood? So here, according to the prime factorization process or fundamental principle of addition or multiplication, so here one thing is missing, and that part missing is 5 to the power 5 is missing. To bring 0 in unit place for 6 to the power n, understood, 2 and 5 must be needed. So this, see, this is statement now, don't mug the statement. Your presentation, your statement should be guided by you only. Okay, so what you are speaking, that what you are writing should be very clear cut definition. You should be writing very clear cut point where it is showing that 2 and 5 must be there. So here what is there? Here 2 and 5 must be needed. Okay, so here 2 and 5 must be needed means 2 and 5 must be needed as factor. Correct now? So here 2 and 5 must be needed as factor here. So here the most important thing is 2 and 5 must be needed as factor. Here 2 is there but 5 is missing. So since 5 is not there, it is not a, it will never have a 0 as unit factor. It will never have 0 as unit factor. That's the most important point to be remembered. Okay. So since it is missing what? Since it is missing what? Since it is missing 5. So it will never have 0 as unit digit. Understood? So after that, what we are going to write here? Here 2 to the power n is there, but 5 is missing. Hence, it will never have a what? It will never have 0. That's it. So here, like this type of question, means statement is guided by you. How you are going to present that presentation in class itself, I have taught many times. Yes, so 0 will not be there in the unit place. That's one of the most important thing, and you must remember how to present it nicely. So this is one question you must remember, and another question was composite number related question. So here you can write anything. You can write any number. If they will ask 125, 25, then what number is missing? 2 is missing. If they will say 13 means which numbers are missing? 2 and 5 both are missing. Understood? Because 10 must be there. If 10 will be there, then only it will come as a, what you call, then unit digit will come as 0. Otherwise unit digit will never come as 0. So these are some things which we need to solve. This is one part. Inform in the group. Yeah, I started the class. Where are they? Again I have to teach or what? So now word problems will be there. A little word problems are there. That problems will not be very big questions. Main focus this test is to case study. You need to focus in case studies, and we have already done 8 case studies. This is from real number. Now we are going to focus in polynomial, some short questions. Then next time polynomial short questions. Now next part what we are going to do, we will be doing case study of polynomial. Okay, so once the case study of polynomial we are going to do, just 1 minute, huh? I gave this. Shoot me. It is ready. Who is putting 100? Tomorrow that 100 is not coming now. Email me, Ansi, email me, huh? Polynomial, email me. I'm waiting for that polynomial. I haven't received it. Come on, we'll go for the questions first. After that, case study. 8 case studies of polynomial we will do. First question for today is, get ready. For polynomial 2 marks question. Okay, this test will be totally case study, okay, and 2 mark question. That's it. Case study and 2 mark question first you do, then full revision we will do. Get ready for it. So now the question is, find the zeros of polynomial. Find the zeros of polynomial. You have to find, check you people are live or not first. Find the zeros of polynomial. This question is very important. Minus 3x, come on, go for it. Minus 3x minus m plus 3. So you have to find the zeros of this polynomial. Find the zeros of polynomial x square minus 3x minus m plus n, and your time starts now. Come on, just type and give me the answer. What and all are the zeros of polynomial? Okay. M plus 3 I am putting here. Okay. N putting means it will become more dangerous for you. M plus 3. M into M plus 3. Come on, start solving it. This question must be done nicely. Do it first. X square minus 3x minus m plus 3. So what and all are the zeros of polynomial of this question? Can you keep your mobile silent, please, sir? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, do it. Come on, children. ये क्या बोल रही है? Answer came? Hey, very easy question, yeah. How to solve this question? Come on, check this one out. See, look here. This is coming as P of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus m square minus 3m. Okay. So this is a constant part. Correct? You take this one and this one. Story over. You need to take which one is common. After taking the common part, see. Here x square minus m square you take. First you listen to me. You take x square and m square. When you are taking x square minus m square, then here what left is minus 3x minus 3m. Then now you take, see, x square minus m square will be written as x plus m, x minus m. Done. X plus m and x minus m. Got it? Now here what we will do, we will take minus 3 common. It will become x plus m. So x plus m, x minus m. So the zeros of the polynomial are minus m and m plus 3. Nice try, boss. Let's see. So now look here. So first what factor is coming? X plus m here, x plus m here. So we will take x plus m common. Next what will come? X minus m minus 3. Done. So here two things are there. So first work what we will do, we will make this one equal to 0. The moment x plus m will become equal to 0, x value is coming as minus m. Second part. So one solution you got x as minus m. Second part is x minus m minus 3 equal to 0. So what is the value of x? M plus 3. That's it. So two values are there. One is exactly m and second part is coming as m plus 3. So m and m plus 3 is the answer. So this is exactly the way to solve one question. Now let's go for the next question. Next question is, now listen. What? We'll go for next question. I need to go for one work. Just 1 minute. We will be getting the next question. Just I'm giving you the next question to solve. Pen drive putting is not a problem. Pen drive taking out is a problem. Yes, I got the question. Next question. The next question is, if x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial, 5 questions of polynomial first you do. After that we will do case studies. It's still there. So now look here. If x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial, if x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial, hey, what is the speciality of a factor? The speciality of a factor is, what is the speciality of a factor? The factor satisfies, the factor gives the solution and the factor will satisfy the polynomial. Understood? It will make the polynomial equal to 0. So if it is not making the polynomial equal to 0 means it is not the factor, or it is not, it is not having the solution. Understood? So what makes the value 0 is called as the factor solution, and it will exactly get converted as factor. That's the most important thing here. So first write this question out. Where are the Pythians? They are thinking that class is not there. Who said class is not there? I told today full day I am going to be with you, means with you. Where is inform those people. Understood? Sarvana is boss. He can get any marks. Understood? Starting from 0 to 10. Cyclone is there, yaar. How he will come? Heavy wind means he will be blown away by the wind. See, heavy wind means Sarvana. Then we will be next time seeing him in Andhra Pradesh. Where is Sarvana? Andhra with cyclone wind. Don't say him. Joshua Daniel is missing. You should search him now. How can I be searching this Daniel person? x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial. P of x is equal to x cube plus ax square plus 2b. Understood? And a plus b equal to 4. And a plus b equal to 4. Then find a and b. Find a and b. Come on, start doing this question, please. You should be searching him. I should not be searching. This is not my duty to search. That two mental people. Tomorrow they will be searching score. What sound you are making, boss? Maths effect. All people saying maths makes mental. Come on. I'm not in live stream right now. I will not be listening all these things and I will not be appreciating. No comment from my side. Questions came. A is equal to 9, B is equal to 5. Come on, we'll see. You writing these type things now, people will record it and after that you gali, you remember this. Now look at. So x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial means x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial means x is equal to 1 will satisfy the polynomial. Understood? So we'll start solving the question. So since x minus 1 is a factor, then x equal to 1 will be the solution of p of x. Then p of 1 will become equal to 0. P of 1 is coming as what? 0. Okay. So if p of 1 is coming as 0 means we will substitute p of 1. Here it is coming as 1 plus a plus 2b equal to 0. Correct? So now we have two equations. One equation, what is there? One equation is a plus b is equal to 4. Another equation is a plus 2b will be equal to minus 1. Fine. So we'll minus and it will become plus, subtracting equation 1 and 2. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. So when you are subtracting equation 1 and equation 2, what answer you are going to get? Come on, this is cancelled. This is minus b and this is 5. Hey boss, what you are getting here? A plus b is equal to 4 coming and then minus. So here minus 2b is coming. Hey, b is coming plus or minus? Options check. I am getting minus. Why? Check this one out. A is equal to, that means I did anything mistake. X plus 1 is a factor, x minus 1 is a factor. B is minus 5. Yeah, I'm also getting B as minus 5. I don't know how you people got plus, but I'm getting minus. Now look here. So a plus b is equal to 4 given here. Only one thing I did. X minus 1 is a factor. So x is equal to 1 came. I substituted 1. It is coming a plus 2b equal to minus 1. Now a plus b is equal to 4. Now a plus 2b equal to minus 1 came. Now I subtracted it. It is coming minus and here it is coming as 5. So B is coming as minus 5. B is coming as what? Minus 5. And once you are substituting, minus 5 only. Okay, let's check. But you people told 5 and 9. Na? So only I'm asking. You people are telling 5 and 9. So I am asking. It's like what you got, I haven't found. Now look here, once B is equal to minus 5, so A plus B is equal to 4. So A minus 5 is equal to 4. So A is equal to 9. So A is equal to 9 and B is equal to A is equal to 9. Yes, A is equal to 9 and B is equal to minus 5. That's the answer. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah, B is minus 5. Correct only. So A is equal to 9 and B is equal to minus 5. So like this polynomial, one or two questions we can be expecting. Are you all ready for the main case study questions? Get ready for it. So polynomial case study questions. Let's start. Okay. Okay, very good, super. Congratulations. So now we will be solving the questions. Get ready for it. This time with you, Jitender is disturbing, but you can't. Before time, I am telling you, keep your phones silent. Will you follow, or at this time with you and phone both will be outside? From second floor, both will be down. Now look here. The below picture shows few natural examples of parabola shape which can be represented by quadratic polynomial. A parabolic arc is an arc in the shape of a parabola. Okay, these all are representing what? Parabolic arc. Understood? The arc of a parabola. After that, what they are telling that their curve represents an efficient method of load and so can be found in bridges and in architecture in variety of forms. Correct only, na? You might be seeing that whenever you are exactly making bridges, the bridges will always be coming in the form of arcs. Understood? So now what next work we are going to do based on the informations, we need to answer the questions. Okay, so let's get ready for answering the questions. So question is, in the standard form of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, a, b and c are all real numbers. A, B, C can be what? Are they all real numbers? Are rational numbers? A is non-zero real number and B and C can be are any real number and all are integer. What can be the correct answer? I have Naren has given, Naren Sanjay, Kritika, Kavya, Vendan, Sophia, Nishant, Mukundan, everybody has given the answer as C, and absolutely C is the correct answer. B, because see, listen, you need to be understanding one thing. Whenever you are writing quadratic, in quadratic part now, when you are writing ax square plus bx plus c, you must remember that the coefficient of x square must not be 0. If coefficient of x square will become 0, then will it be polynomial? No. That time it will not itself become a polynomial. It will not itself become a quadratic polynomial. I hope you might have understood. That time it will not be considered as a quadratic polynomial. It will become linear. Got it? So 100% A should not be equal to 0 and B and C can be any real number. So that's the most important thing. We must remember this one. So second question, come on, go for it. So B square minus 4AC will be having what? Another questions are there now? How many questions I have asked? Okay, study 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Come on. Say all integers are there. 16th. Naren is giving answer A. How many of you are answering A? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. We can. We can. Now listen. What is the next part of the question they are asking is, if the roots of the quadratic polynomial are equal, then discriminant will be equal to the correct. Roots are equal. At the case when roots are equal, think very nicely. Your wish, go for it. This is the first case study I am solving, correct now? What is the answer? If the roots of quadratic polynomial are equal, then discriminant will become equal to 0. You need to understand roots are equal. So when, see, I'm just explaining you this part. Okay, at the time when roots will be equal, you must remember this section. Like roots are real and we thought you we thought you gone with wind. Cyclone is there na. See, when cyclone or very heavy wind will be there na, you wear 4 5 extra dresses or some coats or some heavyweight things. You will be grounded. Otherwise, just kidding you. So now when when roots are polynomial, you must remember this one. Understood. So now look here. So the most important thing here will be when roots are real and equal. So roots are real and distinct means b square d is greater equals 0. D is greater equals 0. And here b square minus 4ac means real. See, real and distinct. Real and distinct means x will have two different values. X will have what? This is real and distinct. Real and distinct. Real and distinct means it will have two different values. So x will have value like a or x will have value like b. So it is two different values. Okay. When roots are real and equal, d will be equal to 0, then roots are equal. So x will be a or x will be equal to a. So 100% x will be coming as a only. Understood? So these are the two things. Sarvana, you came. All please clap because Sarvana came. And that too in heavy wind he came. We had a fear that Sarvana will be blown away by wind. So this is roots are real and equal. Right. D is the correct answer. Na? Roots are real and equal. At the time equal will be there. Then yes, he came in wind, that too this much heavy wind. And he did not got carried by wind. Understood? So this is the biggest thing. Come on, we'll go for the next one. Solve this question, please. If alpha and 1 are the zeros of quadratic polynomial 2x square minus x plus 8k, then k is a very simple question. You can answer it easily. Come on. Yes, even I am very much happy. He came in this wind. Good evening, everyone. So now look here. What work we are going and what is the answer? B. See, look here. We know na ki zeros. The zeros of polynomial always make the polynomial equal to 0. They satisfy the polynomial. What is the correct part is they satisfies the polynomial. So when first we will write the polynomial. What is our polynomial is P of x is equal to 2x square minus x plus 8k. Done. Now here what and all things are there? Alpha is given. Alpha satisfies the polynomial. It makes the polynomial equal to 0. And k, alpha and k are the zeros. So, alpha and 1 are the zeros. So, 1 definitely will satisfy. So, instead of x, can I write here? 1. So, wherever this will be there, it will become, x will be there, it will become 1. So, minus 1 plus 8 into k will be equal to 0. So, here 2 minus 1 will become what? 1, 2 minus 1 will become 1 plus 8k is equal to 0 and k will be equal to minus 1 by 8. And actually this was the question only na. Vishwa, good evening beta. So answer is 1 by 8 and no options are here. Wow, super answer. Definitely it will be coming as minus 1 by 8 as answer. Option C. So minus 1 by 8. Super. So minus 1 by 8 will come as the answer. That's the only thing. Because beta once it will be exactly going. So what will be the value? Alpha and 1 is there. So definitely if alpha and 1 will be there, yes, minus 1 by 8. So what I did is I wrote here 1 by 8. If this PDF will be reaching you, you just remember that this case study 1 question number 3, it is actually minus 1 by 8. Rectify this. If you have solved it, did you got the answer? Everyone, come on, go for it. Alpha and 1 by alpha or any other thing if you are taking means the things will change. Now come on children, go for this question number 4. The graph of x square plus 4 equal to 0 intersect x-axis at two distinct points, touches x-axis at a point, neither touches nor intersect x-axis, either touches or intersect x-axis. Definitely this question need to be understood very nicely. So only this question is there. Check very nicely. What is the answer for this question? See, first thing is that before solving the question, though some people are giving answer as A, some people are giving answer as C, be very specific. Understood. So here, huh? Those who are telling x is equal to minus 2 or 2, they need to understand very nicely. This is not a correct answer. This is not at all correct answer. First, you stop writing and listen to me very nicely. Here, one very important problem is there. See, if this might have been any other question, no, listen first. First you listen, stop, because you people will make some big mistakes. Before that I am stopping you. First you understand this. X square plus 4 equal to 0. The moment you will shift this 4 this side, it will become x square is equal to minus 4. So here when you are taking root, this side is no problem. It will become modulus of x and it will be coming as root under minus 4. Modulus of x will give you plus minus root under minus 4. But bigger problem here is this root under minus 4. Root under negative number does not belongs to real number. It's an imaginary number. So imaginary numbers will never be present on, how can it be intersecting x-axis? Is it possible? No. So it will not be intersecting x-axis. And here you need to be very careful. In board exam means what? Board exam to super, you will not get another chance. Understood? That is one single chance where you have to give a correct answer. You cannot be wrong at that place. Correct now? So here intersect x-axis at two distinct points, not at all possible, boss, because two values are coming here. We can write plus minus answer, but what is inside root is minus 4, which is not real. It is imaginary thing, and here everything is real. Understood? Just now the value of x should come what? Real. The value of x should come real, but the value of x coming here is imaginary. This minus 4 is what? It is imaginary, so it is not possible. So here this is gone. So second, touches x-axis at a point. How can be imaginary touching x-axis? Not possible. So neither touches nor intersect x-axis. This is the most safe answer. Understood? C answer is the most safe answer because it is not touching x-axis or it is not intersecting. Imaginary numbers cannot touch, cannot intersect. So either touches or intersects. So either word is poisonous. It is not at all possible. How can it be possible? So I hope everybody might have understood how to attempt these type of questions. Be very specific for writing the question in a very precise way. So I hope till here it is clear, crystal clear to you how to attempt those questions. So here, see, many people, they will be saying x square plus 4 equal to 0. So they will do x square is equal to 4. But it is minus 4. And minus 4 root will become imaginary. It will not be at all be real number. So definitely answer will go gone. Understood? So we'll go for the next question. Come on, go for this. If sum of the roots is minus p and product of the root is minus 1 by p. Got it? So sum of the root is plus p. What happened? Sum of the root is plus p, sum of the root is minus p, and product of the roots is minus 1 by p. Then the quadratic polynomial is, do you need to do anything in this question? Just see this question and answer the question, which is the perfect answer here. Okay, so some people, they have given answer as B, C. Okay. So many people have, Naren has given answer C. Okay, fine. Let's check this one out. What can be the expected answer here? So first work is we are going to write this one out. So see, what is our general equation? K, look here. General equation for writing quadratic is x square. What we are writing, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Here sum of the root is minus p. So here k, sum of the root means alpha plus beta is equal to minus p. Understood? And what is product of the root? Minus 1 by p. So product of the root is alpha into beta is minus 1 by p. So sum of the root is p and product of the root is minus 1 by p. So what work we are going to do? We will be writing this as minus px and then minus 1 by p. So here it will become what beta? K x square plus px minus p. So boss, what work we are going to do here? What we are going to write here? P will go and multiply. It will become k px square plus p square x minus 1. Px square, see here, p will go and multiply with this one also. So better we will be taking the 1 px square. Which answer is going to be the correct answer? Check. C answer is going to be the safest answer. So this is exactly matching with the content and answer is coming as C. So C is the correct answer. Absolute. I hope you might have understood this one. Now we'll go for the next question. Fifth question is over. So we will be going for the next part. Ready? Krish Maharaj. Next. Okay. We'll go for the next question, please. This is case study. So we are going for next case study. Come on, go for it. Read the next case study. I'm going to still drink water. Wow, super. See, Mane is a body posture, originally a sitting meditating pose and later extended in Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga means parabolic. Hatha Yoga is parabolic, okay, means keeping the head like this and making a parabola, okay. This is called as Hatha Yoga, okay. And modern yoga as exercises as many type of pose or postures, adding recycling, standing, inverted, twisting and balancing poses. In the figure, one can observe that pose are related to representation of quadratic polynomial. Based on the above information, answer the following question. So Hatha Yoga means, Hatha Yoga. It's not Hatha Yoga, it's Hatha Yoga. In that Hatha Yoga, the person is like this shape, yeah, art shape. So that is, so then what is the shape of the person making? Spiral not possible, ellipse not possible, linear not possible. Answer is D, that is considered as parabola. And your next question goes to you. The graph of the polynomial open downwards if A, B. The graph of polynomial open downward if the graph of the polynomial open downwards if the graph of the polynomial, yes, Maha has given the answer first. See, listen, the graph of the polynomial open downwards. The graph of the polynomial open downwards, and in the graph of the polynomial, how it is opening downwards? See, listen it very carefully. When the polynomial graph is opening downward, means the coefficient of x square will be minus. The coefficient of x square will be minus. So here you remember this one. So minus ax square plus bx plus c means the parabola mouth is down. You remember this one, okay? And here, if it is ax square plus bx plus c, then parabola mouth will be up. So that's the basic difference between the things. I hope you might have understood this one. I hope. Okay, I think two more. Fine. So we'll be doing this one. Linear equation. After linear equation, we will be going for quadratic, real number, polynomial, quadratic. Okay, fine, Kavya. So now we will be going for, so answer is C in this. Now question is, in the graph, how many zeros are there for the polynomial? Oh, I have to draw the graph. So I'm drawing the graph. So check how many zeros are there for the polynomial. Got it? I'm seriously going to punch you if you will say here and there. What is the answer? The correct answer is 2 only, because the x-axis is touched at 2 points. One point is here and one point is here. So exactly 2 points are there. So if the graph will be like this, then how many points will be, how many zeros will be there? Check how many zeros will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 zeros will be there. I hope you might have understood this one. So definitely, like these questions we need to solve. So by seeing the graph itself, you need to say the answer. So now we will go for the next one. Come on, go for this question. In the given graph, wow, how many zeros are there for the polynomial? So the given graph, how many zeros are there? 2. Okay? Definitely. This is the same third question. Yes, I drew it, but I was not knowing. Now question number 4. Now come on, solve this question number 4. The quadratic polynomial of the two zeros in the above shown graph is, one equation value was what? -2. Another equation value was 4. So now x value was, two values of x was there now. What was the two values of x? One value of x was -2. Another value of x was 4. Then which equation is correct? Come on, go for it. Yeah, one equation was -2. Graph, please, no need. I gave you the value of x. Okay, let's check this one out, because x is having how many values? X is having two values. So first value is this. So alpha can be taken as -2 and beta can be taken as 4. So alpha plus beta will be equal to -2 plus 4. It is coming as 2. Alpha into beta is -2 into 4. It is coming as -8. So how to frame the quadratic equation? To frame the quadratic equation, we are writing it as x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Now beta, x square minus alpha plus beta is coming as 2x minus 8, and here k will be there. So x square, which one is going to be the correct answer? Alpha plus beta? Hey, option is wrong, because -2 will come. So here -2 -8 will make it as -2, because same question repeated 2 times now. So here this will be the answer. X square minus 2x. Option is wrong. Yes, 2 times plus is written. B can be the answer, because x square minus 2x. I changed the options. So if this PDF is reaching you, means what you need to do is you need to solve these questions. I'm just going to send the PDF in the material group, the main group. Okay. I hope you might have understood this one. We'll go for the next question, please. Yes, B can be the answer. Now we will be solving the next question. Get ready for it. And the next question is this. The zero of the quadratic. This question you solve. I will not touch this question. Come on, go for this question. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial 4 root 3 x square, 4 root 3 x square plus 5x, 4 root 3 x square, 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. Come on, go for it. 4 root 3 x square plus 5. I am not there in the group. Who is not there in the group? Can you say your name, please? Is it from Trikalkundram student? Okay, Ilavarsan, you are not in the group. Don't cry, beta. I will put you in the group.
Option B. Option B.
Option?
B.
Let's see. We'll solve the question. See here, 5 is there now. So first we will take this 2. 4 root 3 will become 2 into 2 into root 3. And 2 root 3 is 2 into root 3. Now look here. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Root 3 into root 3 will become 3. So 8 minus 3 will come as 5. So whatever factors are there, we have taken the factor and we have written like that. Now look here how to solve. 4 root 3 x square minus 8x plus, plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3. Now here root 3 is there now. This part we will write 4 we will take common, x we will take common. Understood? So 4 and x we have taken common. So what will come? Root 3x plus 2. Now here 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3x minus 2 root 3. So here 4x root 3x plus 2 minus root 3 we will take, it will become root 3x plus 2. So it is coming as 4x minus root 3 and then here root 3x plus 2. Done. 4x minus root 3 and root 3x plus 2. So this part is coming as what, beta? Just remember, then what is the value of x? X is coming as root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 here also, root 3 by 4 here also. So out of this two, any Pythium is answer. And then minus 2 by root 3. Minus 2 by root 3. So this is the final answer. Minus 2 by root 3 and root 3 by 4 is the correct answer. I hope you might have understood. Now let's solve the next question. Get ready for the next question, please. Your exam and I am doing hard work, huh? Nice. Now look, I will go for next case study. Next case study is application of parabolas, highway overpasses, underpasses a parabolic in shape. This is the shape of a parabola. Understood? Now, based on the above information, answer the following question. Solve it. Here that is instead of y, x square will be there. Okay. Instead of y, what will be there? X square. Come on, go for it. Instead of y, x square will be there. Do it. Yeah, that's what I am telling now. Typing error. Quickly doing work means some typings are coming problem. But you people are not understanding now. X square minus, so it will come as minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Take x common, x minus 4 plus 2 common, x minus 4. So x plus 2 and x minus 4. So x is coming as 4 and minus 2. 4 and minus 2. Option B. X is coming as 4 and minus 2. Now, where you are going?
Minus 2.
No, it will shift, it will become plus and minus change will be there. Now, so if minus 2 will go that side, plus 2 will go that side, it will become minus 2. And if minus is there, it will.
I saw that they see minus 2, so I said.
No, two options are there. Now you need to check it nicely. I hope you might have understood till here. Till here, is it okay? Now we will go for the next question. Now look here. Like this board examination, if you will prepare, means you will get full 80 out of 80. The highway overpasses is represented graphically. Zeros of a polynomial can be expressed graphically. Number of zeros of polynomial is equal to number of points where the graph intersect at x-axis, intersect at y-axis, intersect at x and y. None of this. It is going to intersect x-axis. So how many zeros are coming? It is exactly coming because of intersection at x-axis, not at y-axis. Always remember. So always when somebody will be asking you, yes, absolutely, those people are giving A as the answer is correct, because the highways will be exactly having intersection at x is equal to x-axis. So x-axis intersection is the correct answer. Come on, we'll go for the next question, beta. Graph of quadratic polynomial is straight, circle, parabola or ellipse? So what is the answer? It is a parabola. It is always a parabola. Now we will go for the next question. The representation of highway underpass, those zeros is alpha and sum of the zeros whose one zero is alpha and sum of the zeros is 0. We very specifically design this one. They're telling one of the zeros is alpha. See, what can be the equation if one of the zeros is alpha? So alpha is one of the zeros and sum of the zeros is 0. That means alpha plus beta equal to 0. So if one equation is this, then what will be beta? So beta is equal to minus alpha. Beta is coming as what? Minus alpha. So here this equation we are writing. So what can be the representation of highway undergoes those 1 0 is alpha and the sum of the zeros is 0. Then definitely product of the 0 will be there. Product of the zeros will be there. Then 100% answer will be, because sum of the zeros is coming 0. So here sum of the 0 is giving as minus 6. Not possible. Here product after this equation part is not coming, and this part is x square plus beta. So definitely answer can be x square minus 36. Understood? Because beta is negative, alpha into beta. So here if alpha will be, then if equation will become x square minus alpha beta, whatever will be there, it will become minus alpha beta. So this is going to be the apt answer. Yes, this is going to be the apt answer. Like this only they will definitely screw you, confuse you. You need to be very yes, accurate. X square minus 36 can be because of one thing. X alpha is equal to minus beta. One root is alpha, another root, because sum of the root is coming as 0, that means coefficient x coefficient part will all becomes 0 and y part will be exactly factored. So definitely you need to check that one nicely. If you will do here and there, means here and there will come. Okay, now look here, we'll go for the number of zeros that polynomial can have is, how many zeros this polynomial can have. Solve and give the answer. How many zeros this polynomial can have? F of x is equal to x minus 2 whole square plus 4. Come on, start solving. X square plus 4 minus 4x plus 4. So it is coming as x square minus 4x plus 8. Understood? So how much we are going to write here? How many zeros it will give? Oh, 1. Oh, 2. Without solving, all the intelligent fellows are telling, first you check here, x square minus 4x plus 8, this is polynomial given. Compare it with general equation ax square plus bx plus c. What is the value of a? 1. What is the value of b? Minus 4. What is the value of c? 8. So 1, 4, 8 is there. Now discriminant find, minus b whole square minus 4 into 1 into 8, so 16 minus 32, it is coming as 12 minus 6 is minus 26, which is less than 0. C equal to 0. How can it be possible, boss? Because discriminant won't be real. Discriminant becomes imaginary. So in this case, discriminant is itself coming as imaginary. Then how can we find the answer? You itself need to be analyzing things very nicely. How can you be people be like this type of big intelligent fellows? How many questions are there? Done? Some of the questions are typed wrong here. 16. Okay, so here this part is done. Now we are going to go for the next question. Get ready for it, please. So the next question is this case study. Go for it. Case study number 4. Go for it. Free Fire edit. One Kuti Papa is telling Free Fire edit. Huh? I give wrong answer. Which one? This is imaginary. This is imaginary. In before question, this also is correct answer. X square minus 36. 26. Ayo, x square minus 36. B is the answer. That part related question is not there. Intelligent fellow. Thank you so much. Bless you, beta. Which question you are saying, Tubelight? This question is also correct. This is that part. This question also. Fifth question. This is the fifth question we have solved. Correct. This is the fifth question we have solved. After that we came this question and then we went second question, first question, second question, third question, parabola, fourth question, this one, and then third case study. This is third case study only going on. In the following zeros, here how many zeros of polynomial will be there? The answer is 0 only. It will not be because here, yes, this one only, answer is wrong now because it is not at all. There will be no real zeros. The number of zeros will not be there. How many zeros will be there? Wait, I will solve and check. Because first we need to check this one out. One more time I am solving. X minus 2 whole square plus 4 is there. F of x is there. Now let's solve x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 4 is there. So here x square minus 4x plus 8 is there. So discriminant A is equal to 1, B equal to minus 4 and C equal to 8. So now if seriously I will punch you both. So B value is coming as minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 8 because 4 plus 4 will become positive 8. So here 16 minus 32. So it is coming as what? Whatever value is coming, it is coming negative and negative is less equals 0. So it will not have any real roots. It will not have any real root. That value you don't think, you think it is negative. So here minus 16, that is plus 16, minus 32. So 12 minus 6 is coming as this much. So 16 also is there, but it is negative. It is negative. And since it is negative, Since it is negative, it is exactly 1636, whatever you are going to write, it is negative. Negative means it is imaginary. So a negative value, negative making, d coming negative is imaginary, and that's what that time it will not have any real root. That time it will not have any real root. Maybe subtraction problem, but one thing is there in front of them, that is coming as minus, and that makes the whole thing poisonous. Now we will go for case study 4. So this video is getting very overloaded, 105 minutes over. I'm going to give, just stay, don't go anywhere. Again I'm going to start this session, okay, because the remaining 4 case studies we have to do. Remaining 4 case studies we have to do. After this 4 case studies, beta, we will be taking some break. Give me some break, and then I will start magnetism. After magnetism, okay, now itself, if you want break means take a break. 4 o'clock we will join. I also need rest. I'm standing continuously. So we will go for, because we see today only 12th I'm teaching. No, I'm teaching not at all. I'm teaching to any other class. So 12th I'm teaching right now. Yes. So 4 to 5 we will be studying magnetism. Then 5 o'clock we will start polynomial. After polynomial, we will be doing what? After polynomial, we will be doing again linear equation in 1 hour linear equation. After linear equation, we will be going for trigonometry. That's it, over. Quadratic and, yes, trigonometry, quadratic, yes. So you just remember. Take rest. Such nice. And thank you for liking the class. Thank you so much, beta. Thank you for joining the session.